Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Johnny's restaurant. I'm Johnny. Do you like sushi? I like also that. There's international food but come from the Japanese traditional cuisine. Alright, today's menu is sushi rice. Basically most of the main menu in the Japanese food was in my restaurant, okay? Let's go. Follow me. Well, what we have here? Today I ingredient here and stuff here. I'll let you know. There's vinegar, it's Japanese grape vinegar or any kind of vinegar you can use that. The fruit essence, sweet one. You can find anywhere Asian groceries. Honey also. Brown sugar, beaker or cup, and shaking water. And lastly, main menu. The cooked rice, very hard one. Okay, let's go. Here we go with the best tip. People don't make your sushi rice. You have to make the fresh rice, fresh cooked rice. Then you know, let's see. Okay, I already cooked the rice and I showed it, the very hard, very fresh one. When you finish that, bring the bowl, mixing bowl, put in here. There's a bone one, doesn't need that. Alright, that's it. Where cooked rice is already done, I bring it here. Now we have to make the sushi seasoning. Okay, I'll let you know. Let's see. First we need vinegar, 25 cc. Less than 25. And 1 spoon fruit essence, sweet one. 1 spoon honey. Half a spoon sugar. Put in shake water. When it's melting down the honey, put inside the shake water. Shake well. When the sugar is going down, the melting down. Yeah, already done. I already made the last week. Let's see, you can keep anywhere. That's it. Well done, everything's done. We made the sushi seasoning, homemade one, homemade cooked rice. Now we have to mix it now, so I'm to see, then you know. You have to mix up. We don't need to use all, just we need the half, this much. I check again. Need more. Yep. And quickly mix it. When you rise hot, then have to mix quickly. Yep. Done. No sushi seasoning underdown. And cool down. You can make sushi roll, anything. I'll let you know, I'll show it. Now we have to make the sushi shape for any kind of sushi nigiri. We call them nigiri that. So I'll let you know and I'll let you show how to make it. Let's see. Bring your glove, instantaneous single service. Make a moisture well with water. Grab rice like 1 spoon. Make a short round. That's it. Well, today I make the after sushi rice, then deep fried prawn nigiri sushi. First we need seaweed ribbon. Bring the half side. Last week I used that. I show it. just cut this much. Be careful, there's like a hole, so we need another cut. Okay, that's it. And with the glove again, with the sushi rice here, and put it here, like make a show shape. And the ribbon put on here, just stick it. That's it, very easy. Put here, cocoa glove. My favorite, mayonnaise. Sweet soy sauce. The spice sauce. Voila! Today's sushi rice with my favorite prawn sushi. Well done, well done. Everything's done. Sushi rice perfectly is done, and I showed you how to make my favorite sushi with the prawn, deep fried prawn like nigiri. Yeah, that's very delicious. Like this, very easy to make anywhere sushi rice. And this is very important to make the sushi rice in my restaurant anywhere because everybody, international guys, like sushi, so much love sushi. Now that I try this one. Wow. A little bit spicy, too much brown spice sauce on top. Anyway, like this, you can make your one in your home, anywhere, office, or with your friend. Don't forget, the very important to make how to make the sushi rice or sushi seasoning. So, see you later. Thank you.